hope you are great. So today I would like to bring an poetry and a title, The Sound of the Universe. It's my work. Without any further ado, let's watch and stay tuned. Sound of the universe. There is a sound of the train pass through in lines. Lips watch and listen. Winds come over to fingering. Last word whispered, saying goodbye. There is a sound of hurt. The universe conspires to help. The language of love. Whisper to. And the soul full of joy and peace. But the empty place near and stay alone. Crowded city, they talk about you, I heard. Bad, worthless, impure, they told a taste of a stranger. Smell of the weird aroma.
There is a sound of plane. Send you a sunset letter.
Come to listen from the east to west. Charming of your face is often likely the most. You are great around the universe. Your language are more than perfect.
That tears going to dry and sprinkle pride surrounding and sound of hurt.